crazy, bro. Anyway, as you can see, we about to go to the tire shop because you see big ass, fat ass nipple. Nah, let me do that again. Ason, delete that. Alright, let's go get that fixed. But this nigga better not be lying neither, bro. I'm only going this far because dude said it's a discount. So we about to see. Everybody about to see me go in here look like a dumbass if ain't no discount. Let me test his eye. Not about to play me. Yerp. What wrong with him? NCP? Fuck it. NPC. Dang, I didn't mean to say the F word. Forgive me. But he do got 06 on that bit. Oh, I wanna go fast. No, let me stop. Bitch, I'm so again money, don't question me. Bitch, shut the fuck up with me and my talking. Turn that music down, cause actually, fuck turn it down. Let me turn it off. Cause I don't know what the heck that just was, but that was bad. Damn. I'll be hearing the whine, bruh, and I don't even got no air intake, bruh. Pro charger? No, let me stop. Katie better text me back quick. Cause if she don't text me back quick, I'ma have attitude. I'ma go mess your room up. And hide all your baby dolls. Yup. Well, if I would have known I was driving all the way over here, bit loud with the windows up. Oh, I'm not doing that again. I'm not about to see that, dumb man. There you go. Appreciate you, though, car. Just trying to make sure I'm good. Thank you, Roxy.
Are you hit, bro? My hole?
Huh?
Are you hit the my hole?
Yeah, got me good. No, I was spinning that bit and I hit the curb. Yeah, I ain't see it and I just boom. I was like, damn. Yeah. Alright, I'll be back.
3 hours later.
Alright, YouTube, so we about to head to this Camaro Mafia meet. I don't know, I'm somewhere in Bama. I keep saying I'm somewhere in Bama because I literally do not know where I'm at. I just keep getting these addresses and I'm pulling up to them. I keep seeing the same niggas though, so this bit lit. And the lights been out on me, so that means it's time to go. I'll catch y'all boys when I get done. Well, I ain't gonna lie, bro, this nigga here got me scared as fuck.
I'm just trying to warn him because 12 is coming in about 3.5 seconds. Hey vlog. Welcome to first vlog in Birmingham, Alabama.
Well, I ain't gonna lie, bro. This nigga here got scared as fuck.
I'm just trying to warn him because 12 is coming in about 3.5 seconds.